The Landwirt.com film crew is at the Pöchersdorfer family's farm in Heiligenberg, Upper Austria today. Tobias, Manuel, hello? Hello? Thank you for your invitation. You submitted a do-it-yourself project to us on Landwirt.com. And Tobias, tell us, what did you build yourself?
Well, we made a low loader with loading crane and loading ramps ourselves.
How did that happen? How did you come up with the idea?
Well, our challenge was in our agricultural business in our second location, which is 18 kilometers away. And of course, this results in a lot of transportation, also due to fertilizer, big bags, etc., where you then also need something at the second location as you can load and unload it. Because of this, our focus pile has also fallen ill.
Yes, Manuel, tell us, what kind of technology has been installed in your projects?
We found the basic framework for the animal floater on Landwirt.com. We then spontaneously bought and picked it up. Then we saw, after the first few loads, that technically it's not really that good anymore. So there, more the paint and the putty were holding everything together. Then we said, we'll restore it completely and ordered iron and disassembled everything and blasted it. In the end, while we were putting it back together, we realized that we could actually also build a crane at the front. We then also converted it to low sensing, so power beyond on the tractor. We reinforced the entire frame at the front, specifically for the crane. We built ramps at the back so that we can transport a tractor or an excavator. All the wooden bridges have been redone and strengthened with posts underneath. We have installed work lighting all around, also flashes at the back, the whole lighting. So we chose a tandem chassis, mainly because of the maneuverability on the field paths, etc. It's often quite narrow. We installed a new entire brake system. It was already somewhat worn out. It has disc brakes.
And what are the dimensions and overall the numbers for your low loader?
Yes, basically we have in the low loader, due to the crane, an outer width of 2.45 meters. Have a loading area of about 8 meters, have support load with crane as rental vehicle 1,000 kilos. That means we still have 1,000 kilos payload, had a construction time of about 4 months, which of course reflects with them because me and my brother are both still working 40 hours.
Can you roughly estimate in what cost range are you moving regarding your self-build project?
Yes, we looked at it. If we had it made today as it stands by a company just as we wanted, we actually ended up with approximately 70,000 euros saved, yes.
Tobias, you have future plans for the low loader, right? What else do you have in mind?
Through my main job as an electrician, I then asked myself again that it would actually be quite interesting after certain years today to clean a photovoltaic system. And because of that, I also built a washing container where I have all my technology today, which I naturally connect with the crane. We also modified the crane, for example, with a personnel basket for 2 people so that I am naturally mobile and can accordingly get onto the roofs. And I also plan to actively offer my service for cleaning driving systems from spring 2025.
Thank you, Tobias and Manuel, for submitting and presenting your do-it-yourself project to us. Dear viewers, you have seen it on Landwirt.com. You will find what you are looking for and then also very encouraged to build at home on the farm. So if you have realized the project, then feel free to submit it on Landwirt.com.